Hello students, how are you? This is Kathleen Reynolds. I'm your teacher for Writing 5 Online, Summer 2023. This is a 10-week class, so we're going to get started right away. It's a class that moves quickly, but you can learn a lot about writing in this time. Follow the guidelines that I give you, and I'm here to help you. And we will have a great experience this summer. So this video is going to go over our Blackboard shell and our syllabus and schedule to give you some more information about the class. So when you enter Blackboard from harper.blackboard.com and log in, you'll see our Summer Writing 5 online class here. The first page you'll enter will be the announcements. These will also go to your email, and this is where I post reminders for every week or other important events, and they're also emailed to you. So here's the syllabus and schedule, where you can see this video will be posted, and this is the syllabus. It's the same document, just posted in both Word and PDF. So this is the Word document, and I just want to go over a few important things about it. So our class is 4 credit hours. It starts May 22 and it goes to July 28. And it is an online asynchronous class. Meetings will be on WebEx, which is at this link. So we don't have a single time that we all have to meet or all have to be there. Most of the instruction of the class is done by videos and interactive activities that I post online, which I will show you. But we will have conferences or check-ins with students every week. So for those conferences or check-ins, you can choose to meet individually with me. Could be just for 5 minutes, up to 15 minutes. Or you can meet in a small group of students, also 5 to 15 minutes. Or if meeting online doesn't work for you, you could also do a written check-in where you will need to write several paragraphs about what you're learning. So that is a requirement for the class that you can complete in 2 different ways. Some other important information here, if you need to change your schedule, for example, maybe you decided that the best time to take this class is not the summer, you would like to take it in the fall, change your schedule by May 30, 2023. That will enable you to get your money back. Here's my name, Kathleen Reynolds. You can call me Kathleen. This is my phone number in the office. Please also send me emails. This is my email address. It does not have an S, even though my last name has an S. Email is the best way to reach me if you have questions or if there's anything that I can help you with. I'm happy to make appointments with you. I can meet you in person in my office. I will be here sometimes during the summer, but it's best to make an appointment, and I can also meet you online. So if you call this number, I might not see it right away. That's the important part. The next page of our syllabus has the requirements for the course. So we're going to write 2 styles of essay, which is cause-effect and argument essay. And then we're also going to practice writing at-home essays that we write, taking like 3 weeks to write it. We write a draft, we have feedback, we talk about it, we change it, we turn it in again. We go back and forth, and then finally we get a final grade. And timed writings, which are just like a 2-hour time period that you have to write an essay. And that's to practice both. Both of those are kind of important for college and for your continuing development in English, so we practice both of those. In addition to those essay styles, we practice a lot of grammar and editing, including verbs, sentence connecting words, run-ons, fragments, nouns, articles, pronouns, and then mostly in this class, what I try to teach you about grammar is how to get the grammar that's in here and get it on your paper so that you can find your own mistakes and correct them. Okay. So we don't have any materials required for this class. Everything will be on Blackboard, and you don't have to pay anything. If you do not have a computer, please borrow a computer from Harper College for free for the summer semester. And this is the link where you can request one, and you would pick it up in the library. it is not a good idea to try to do this class on a phone or even on a tablet. I really recommend that you get a computer. They can also lend you an internet hotspot, which gives you the internet in different places. And every Harper student has Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Every Harper student has those programs for free. So you go to log in, you use your Harper email address, which is your username at mail.harpercollege.edu, and your password, which is the same as your Harper portal password. And then you are able to download it on several different devices. So I highly recommend that you use Word for your assignments, but your writing for this class does need to be typed. So our grades will be as follows. You will have at-home writing. Like I said, takes 2 or 3 weeks to write an essay, and it involves several different drafts or times. Timed writing, 40%, which is that quick writing, like 1.5 or 2 hours. It's like a test. The SOWOT is the same as a timed writing test in that you write in a short period of time. However, 2 other teachers, not me, will grade it. In other words, it is the departmental exam. Okay, that will be at the end of the semester, and I'll give you more details closer to the time. We will also have some editing quizzes to practice our grammar, and we will have homework. Homework includes grammar practice, writing practice, and check-ins. So every week, starting the second week, you'll get points for checking in with me. And like I said, that means either you show up online and talk to me for 5 minutes, about 5 minutes, or you write me an extra paragraph answering some questions, and that will be starting in week 2, so I'll give more details about that later. This is the grading scale for the ESL department. Please notice this important information. A grade of B, 85% or higher, is required to pass this class and move to English 101. You don't have to take another test to move to English 101. You just go. What is English 101? English 101 is the college composition class that everyone at Harper College for almost every major must take. If you are doing a short certificate at Harper, maybe you don't need to take it, but if you're doing a major, a career, you're planning to transfer, you should do this class. Okay, this class will enable you to show that you are a proficient English speaker. If you take English 101 and complete it, and you want to go to a different college or university, you would be able to show them your completion of English 101, and they will say, okay, that person speaks English. They don't have to take another test. They don't need a TOEFL, IELTS, or something like that. They're ready to go. Okay, so if you want to go and take that class and prove your proficiency in English, you must first get a B in this class and in reading 5 if it's required. That's 85%. So that's your job. Watch your grade. If you, okay, so let me give you a few more important things. So I will give lots of feedback, almost always within 1 week or less, to help you with your writing, and I will give it to you on Blackboard and when I meet with you. If you are late with any assignments, you must make them up with 1 week. You can be late, no problem, and it will be a 10% deduction, but just don't be more than 1 week late with anything. If we have a test and you miss it, you need to let me know as soon as possible so we can make a plan. Finally, I want to talk a lot about academic honesty. It's kind of sad that I have to talk about this so much, but it's the reality of the situation. So some people, especially in an online class, it's very tempting to copy from somewhere online, including to copy from an AI or ChatGPT program. And that's not the point of this class, okay? I am not a computer. I am a person. I think you want your class to be taught by a person, not a computer. I would like you to really, if you want me to be a person, I need you to be a person. I need you to do your real writing, make your real mistakes. If you feel like overwhelmed, you can't do it, ask for help or ask to be late. I will say yes, okay? But if you copy, then That's not the way, okay? Just like I don't want to grade you like a computer and say these are the rules. If I grade like a computer, then everything late will be rejected. Do you know what I mean? I want to be flexible with you, so I need to see, or let's say I want to be real with you, so I need you to be real with me. This is your chance to get help from an expert. That is me. I am an expert on writing in English. I have taught this class for many, many years. I know exactly what you need. Okay, I know how to help students. If you give me things that you did not write, I cannot help you. There's no way I can magically help you. I have to see your real writing. If I find out that you copied, okay, you have one chance to redo it that time. The second chance, it will stay a 0. And since we have very small margin in this class, that oftentimes means the second time someone will not pass the class. Okay. In addition, after cheating, if you cheat like this, you will have to write all the timed writing tests using HonorLock, which is video monitoring. They monitor you the whole time you're taking the test, or you will have to take it in the testing center in Building A, room 148. Okay, for most people, I think this is not a problem, but what I'm telling you is we need to be real with each other. Look at this. You do not need to be perfect to pass. You do not need to be perfect to get an A in this class, but you must be real. You must show me your real writing so that I can help you, okay? Let's see. I hope that makes sense, guys. Okay, so I am very understanding. I will help you when you have problems. Just let me know. You don't have to tell me everything about your problem if you don't want to, but if you tell me things, I will try to help you, even more, but I will let you be late or whatever you need to do. No problem. Okay. So all of this is information that's required for me to share with you, so you can go ahead and read through it. And this part, Student Support Resources, has a lot of details about other services at Harper that you can look at. And then this is our schedule of when we will have our major assignments, tests, and everything like that. There are some days that Harper is closed in the summer, but I didn't really put them on the schedule because we're not meeting face to face. So we do have activities every single week, but that's the most important parts of the syllabus. So you can go ahead and look that over. Okay, so let me just quickly go over some of the other parts of the syllabus and schedule, or of the Blackboard site. So course resources here is information that you might use at any different point during the semester. So we have Blackboard Help. These items show you how to do things on Blackboard. For example, if you don't know how to turn in an assignment on Blackboard, there's a lot of videos here. This is a video about how to see your feedback, because I'll give you feedback on Blackboard, how to use WebEx, which is what we use for the online meetings, and how to sign up for Quill, which is our online grammar program, our free online grammar program. Here's some information about Harper College Help, including tutoring. And then here's some writing and grammar help. So if you need some, this, and I will keep adding to this one. I will keep adding to this writing and grammar help as we study new topics. For the moment, I just put the topics for the first week, but I will be adding more on there. So that's like if you want to practice a subject a little more, you say like, I don't know what she's talking about here. You could see, for example, if you don't know what a thesis is, you could follow the information here, or how to do an introduction. Anyway, faculty information has my name and contact information, just so it's all in one place for you. Okay, learning modules. I'm going to come and explain that to you in the week 1 video, which is going to be posted here under week 1. WebEx meetings is the link that you will follow anytime you're going to meet with me online. You just click it and that will connect you. And there's also an app if you're going to use it on your phone, and it is called WebEx Meet. No, WebEx Meet. I think it's called WebEx Meet. WebEx MEET. Okay. Tools communication. I don't know what that is. Something about how to email me, email other people. I don't know. My grades, that all your grades will be posted there, and they will always be up to date, and you'll always be able to see them. These are just some other important things for you from Harper College, but that one, my grades, is the main one. Okay, so in the next video, which is going to be posted under learning modules, and then